Ever been in a conversation where you just blend into the background? You're there, but no one's really paying attention. Well, that's about to change. Today, I'm giving you uncommon skills that not only grab attention, but make people go, "Wait, how did you do that?" Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 3 powerful skills that'll impress your friends and make you the most interesting person in the room. Let's dive in. The power of the unexpected. Here's the thing. People are drawn to the unexpected. It's why street magicians get crowds, and why someone who can solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds instantly becomes the center of attention. Learning just one uncommon skill sets you apart, sparks curiosity, and makes social interactions way more fun. I still remember the time a friend casually solved a complex riddle in seconds. I was blown away and instantly wanted to know how they did it. And today, you're about to become that person. So let's start with the first skill. Skill number 1. Memory hacks, remembering names like a pro. Forgetting someone's name, awkward, but remembering it instantly. That's next level impressive. Here's the trick, the association method. When you meet someone, immediately link their name to an image or rhyme. Example, Matt, picture a doormat. Lisa, imagine the Mona Lisa. The more ridiculous the image, the easier it sticks. Try it out at your next social event, and I guarantee people will be shocked at your ability to recall names with ease. Skills number 2, pen spinning. Look cool without trying. Ever noticed how effortlessly cool people look when they casually spin a pen between their fingers? This simple yet uncommon skill makes you stand out without even saying a word. Here's the basic move. The thumb around place, the pen between your index and thumb. Give it a push with your middle finger so it spins around your thumb. Catch it and repeat until it's smooth. Trust me, it takes a little practice, but once you master it, people will notice. Skill number 3, Napkin Rose. Turn a simple napkin into a wow moment. Imagine this. You're at dinner, and instead of scrolling your phone, you casually fold your napkin into a beautiful rose and hand it to someone. Instant wow factor. Step 1, roll the napkin into a tight spiral. Step 2, fold down the top edges for a petal effect. Step 3, twist the bottom for a realistic stem. This takes 0 money, just a bit of practice, and suddenly you've got a party. Trick that's charming and memorable. Beyond skills, confidence and practice. But here's the real secret. Confidence makes everything 10x more impressive. Even the best skills won't work if you hesitate or second-guess yourself. So practice until these tricks feel natural. Try them out in casual moments, and soon they'll become part of who you are. Now, I challenge you. Pick one of these skills and try it today. Let me know in the comments which one you're going for. And if you want more uncommon tricks to stand out, hit that subscribe button, because we've got even crazier ones coming soon. See you in the next one.